Hi students, now I am taking final year BCom Financial Accounting, under that internal reconstruction. So this is the problem which is appeared in the year 2017. So it is an important question. So this is the balance sheet given. Then see the adjustment is like this. Dividends on preference shares are in arrears for 2 years. So dividend preference shares dividend is arrears for 2 years. No provision has been made for the sales tax liability of rupees 9,600. So there is a sales tax liability of rupees 9,600, but it is not provided. That means now we have to provide the sales tax liability. It should be made out of the capital reduction account. So we have to write capital reduction account data to sales tax payable account. So we have to pay how much it is? 9,600. So this is the liability we have to create. So it is clearly given. No provisions has been made for the sales tax liabilities. So that we have to make the provision by using the capital reduction account. So the entry is capital reduction account data to sales tax account. Next adjustment is uncalled capital is to be called up in full and equity shares are to be reduced to rupees 5. So equity shares should be reduced to rupees 5. At the same time, it is given uncalled capital is to be called up. So uncalled capital, see the share capital. Here it is given 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. So the face value is 10 each. But rupees 7.50, 7 rupees 50 paisa only paid up. That means last final call of rupees 2 rupees 50 paisa is pending. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 10 ಬಟ್ 7 rupees 50 paisa ಮಾತ್ರ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ we have to make the final call of rupees 250. So the entry for making the final call is equity share final call account data to equity share capital account. So we have to call 2 rupees 50 paisa. Number of share is 40,000. So 40,000 into 2.50, that is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. So it is for the final call money due entry. Next, we have to receive the final call money. So the next entry is for receiving the final call money. When you receive the final call money, cash comes in. That is bank account data to equity share final call account. Equity share final call account. We have to receive the final call money, that is 1 lakh rupees. These two entries for final call money due and final call money received. Then it is over. Next we have to reduce the capital to equity share capital to 5 rupees. See here, once it is given, equity shares are to be reduced to rupees 5 per share. So after receiving the final call, we have to reduce the equity shares. So for reducing the equity shares, we have to write equity share capital account. See the balance sheet, it is 3 lakh. Remember, we are received full amount, 2 rupees 50 paisa already received. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 lakh ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 7 rupees 50 paisa ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದಾಗಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದರ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ 2 rupees 50 paisa ಸಹ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So now equity share is 4 lakh. That means we are received for 40,000 shares at rupees 10 each. 40,000 ಗೆ 10 rupees ನಾಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So now it should be reduced. Equity share capital account, it should be reduced to rupees 5. That means 40,000 into 5, that is 2 lakh. The remaining balance as it is, it should be transferred to capital reduction account, that is 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So 4 lakh ittu as per balance sheet, that means 40,000 into 10 rupees, 4 lakh. Out of that it is reduced to 5 rupees. Then the remaining balance should be transferred to capital reduction account. So it is over. Next adjustment is sales tax liability of rupees 9,000 is to be paid immediately. See, the first journal entry, it is due 9,600, but now it is paid. Paid means cash goes out. So to bank account. Paid what? Sales tax. So sales tax payable account that are to bank account. So we have to pay the, out of 9,600, we have to pay only the amount of 9,000. So sales tax payable account that are to bank account 9,000. Next entry is land and buildings are to be shown in the balance sheet at full market value of rupees 2,20,000. So here it is given land should be shown as 2,20,000. See the balance sheet, here land is only 1,60,000. So now the value is increased. If the value is increased, then debit the asset account, that is land and buildings account debtor, to, as usual, capital reduction account. So 2,20,000 minus 1,60,000, that means 60,000 should be transferred to capital reduction account. So land and buildings account debtor to capital reduction account, amount is 60,000. Next adjustment is, it is important adjustment, next one. Trade creditors have consented to forgive 25% of their liabilities. So total trade creditors is 48,000. So total creditors is 48,000. Out of the 48,000, they agreed to forgive. That means given they leave that amount out of 48,000, 25% they given for the company. Adan bittu bittare, company is leave the bittu bittare. So that should be transferred to capital reduction account. So 48,000 into 25%. That comes to 12,000. So 12,000 should be transferred to capital reduction account. Once again, trade creditors have consented to forgo 25% of their liability on a condition that 25% of the net liability. Net liability means after deducting this amount. Reduction account ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಮೌಂಟಿನ 25% of the net liability is to be paid immediately and the balance is to be paid within 1 year. ಸರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ನ 25% ಅನ್ನು ಫರ್ಗೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 48,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 12,000. ಆಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 36,000 ನ 25% ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. It should be paid immediately. That means 9,000. 9,000 should be paid immediately and this 12,000 should be forgo. That is capital reduction and the remaining should be shown in the balance sheet. That means it should be paid in the next year. So 25% immediate payment ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಉಳಿದ ಈ 48,000 ಉಳಿದ ಭಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 48 minus 12,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 36,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುನಃ 25% ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ new balance sheet. So now we have to write trade creditors account data to capital reduction account. Capital reduction we are transferring 12,000 to cash account. So we have to pay the cash 9,000. We have to pay the cash 9,000. So total 12 plus 9, here it is 21,000. So the remaining balance should be shown in the balance sheet. So out of trade creditors 12,000 capital reduction and 9,000 paid immediately. Yes. Next one is investments are to be taken over by bank in full settlement of their bank overdraft. So bank overdraft is given. So bank overdraft account data, how much we have to pay the bank overdraft? 16,800. So bank over investments are to be taken over by bank in full settlement. So bank overdraft ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನವರು investment, they will take for the investment, but investment is more, it is to bank investment account. Investment goes out, they take the investment, it is 24,000. So here the balance is in debit, so the balance should be transferred to capital reduction account. Overdraft amount ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ 16,800, but our investment is 24,000 ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಉಳಿದನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So the amount of capital reduction is here 7,200. 7,200. Yes. Next, preference shareholders have agreed to give up their rights for the 2 years dividends. So 2 years dividends ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So there is no need of passing the entry here. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 years dividends and accept 12 fully paid equity shares of rupees 5 each for each fully paid preference shares. Our preference shares ಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ, they will receive the equity shares. So preferential share capital account data, how much we have to pay the preference shares? 2 lakh. For that 2 lakh, they will receive the equity share capital account. So preference share is 2,000. It is given 12 equity shares. Preference shares fully paid, they accept 12 fully paid equity shares of rupees 5 each. ಅದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ 5 ರೂಪೀಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು 1,20,000. Then the remaining balance should be transferred to capital reduction account. Capital reduction account, it comes to rupees 80,000. Remaining ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. All the adjustment is over. Now we have to write off the last entry, write off the fictitious asset, and the balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So first we have to debit the capital reduction account, account data. See in first journal entity is debit. First we can take the credit amount, that is 2 lakh. Then minus first journal entry 9,600. It is debit. Debit should be minus, credit add. Then plus next entry is 80,000. Next journal entry, 7th journal entry plus 60,000. 60,000. Next 8th journal entry plus 12,000. 12,000. Next entry minus 7,200. Minus 7,000. This is debit capital redemption account, the ninth entry. So the balance is, here now we get balance is 3,35,200. First we have to write off the fictitious asset, that is goodwill. So goodwill account 20,000. Then here it is profit and loss account is given to P&L account 1,42,800. No depreciation on any asset. So the balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. Balancing figure. Balancing figure. It is 1,72,400. 1,72,400. So the journal entry is over. Then we can pass on to reconstruction balance sheet. Goodwill is already written off. Leave it. Land and buildings, it is revalued. It is given in the adjustment 2,20,000. So here we have to write 2,20,000. Then plant and machinery same. Investments are taken over by the bank. So leave it. Then stock as it is debtors. Then we can see the cash. So cash is opening balance 6,000. See the second journal entry, sales tax paid minus 9,000. Minus 9,000. Profit and loss account, leave it. Fictitious asset, it is minus 9,000. Next one is equity share capital 1 lakh. So plus we are receiving equity share capital, final call money 1 lakh. Then trade creditors paid is 9,000. Paid means it is minus 9,000. Is over. So we get the cash book as 88,000. So cash book is 88,000. Leave the profit and loss account because it is already written up. Come to the liability side here. Here equity share is within bracket. See the sixth journal entry. It is 1,20,000 plus next entry is 2 lakh. So total 3,20,000. 3,20,000. So there is no preference shares. Instead of preference shares, we are given the equity shares. So leave it. Then unsecured loan as it is. Trade creditors out of 48,000. See the journal entry. We are already settled 21,000. So we get 27,000. Now trade creditors is 27,000. Journal entry ನೋಡಿ trade creditors account data 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ 21,000 ಉಂಟು. So ಈ 48 ಇಂದ 21 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪೇಯಬಲ್. Then bank overdraft is also settled here. So ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. So leave it. The last one we have to write the capital reserve. See the last journal entry, the balancing figure, this one 1,72,400 is over. So the total of the balance sheet is 6 lakh. Both side total is 6 lakh. One here it is left. One liability is pending, that is tax, sales tax payable. Out of 9,600, we only paid 9,000. So 600 is pending. This is important here. Sales tax is last important. So it tally, both side total is 6 lakh. It's over. This problem is over. Thank you.